Hello all, myself Aditi here, and today's session is going to be in watercolor painting. Before we are starting for the rosebud painting, I have already done the sketching part on the watercolor paper of 300 GSM. I'm doing background using blue shade from Sennelier watercolor cakes. When I am doing the background using watercolor, the sketch is helping me to put my boundaries while I am painting. Watercolor is very amazing medium if you know techniques and tricks how to use. The most important part in watercolor is the paper that you are using, and you should select paper according to the weight. Watercolor paper is available cold pressed, hot pressed and rough. Even you can choose handmade papers. When you simply use water and load your brush with the water, it holds great amount of water on your brush, and that you can use to spread your colors across the paper or across the area that you want to paint. You can play with the many techniques like dry brush technique, wet on dry, glazing, and you can create your own techniques to paint with the watercolor. If you like this video that I have created for watercolor painting, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and do share this video those who are interested to learn new techniques in art and craft. If you want to understand how color spreads with the water, you can just practice this simple technique by taking a simple small paper like square paper, and on that you can put a little small patch of the water, and on that you can spread any color, or you can just give a touch of any color, and you will see the how your color is spreading with the water. Same technique I am using here. Once I have done this the background, the paper is really wet with the water and with the color, and whenever I have to give a highlight, I am just adding again a blue shade, and water is doing its magic on the paper. Develop a good hand in watercolor. You can always practice any picture by taking reference, and then you can try that picture painting in a watercolor. This will help you to develop your hand by practicing with the watercolor. Here we are almost done with the background for the rosebud painting. There are many brands in watercolor. Here I am using Sennelier brand. It's also very good with the pigments. Slowly we'll start painting rosebuds. We are giving the red wash. I'm keeping in mind the highlighted area also, and same as earlier we did with the blue shading. Here also same thing we are doing with the red. While painting, we have to always keep in mind about the light and the shadow. Please watch this video till the end and follow the instruction that I have given in the video, and you will be able to make the same painting that I have posted on my Facebook page. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and Instagram handle also. Now slowly I will start painting the leaves. For leaves I have mixed yellow and the green shade or the lighter green shade. If you don't have lighter green shade, you can just put lemon yellow and the green, which will make the lemon green shade. That shade you can use to paint or to give a first wash for the leaves and the bud part of the rose. Slowly we'll start giving a darker shade of green to show the shadow part or the darker part in the leaves or the stems. I hope so all of you have enjoyed this session and you will definitely try this at home by following all the instructions. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.